All right, all right. Hello, everyone, and welcome to this English weekly leadership call. And today we have a very exciting things to talk about, Nivex, but another thing. And we have our special guest here as well for speaking about that. Before that, I just want to get into the industry itself when we talk about crypto, because there was happening something really exciting yesterday. Sure, some conspiracy theorists says, "Oh, that's not good," but I think it's really good, and it's all about the adoption of crypto in the world. As you all know, majority of all countries or institutionals are waiting for USA to make crypto framework, meaning they need to get them to be legal and set up all these kind of things. So this next video is a two short videos I want to show you and see what happened actually yesterday. Here we go.
This afternoon, we take a giant step to cement American dominance of global finance and crypto technology as we sign the landmark Genius Act. I pledge that we would bring back American liberty and leadership and make the United States the crypto capital of the world, and that's what we've done. The Genius Act creates a clear and simple regulatory framework to establish and unleash the immense promise of dollar-backed stable coins.
This Genius Act will unlock American dominance in the crypto industry by creating clear rules of the road. It will update archaic payment rails with a revolutionary new payment system, and it will extend U.S. dollar dominance, like you said, globally. This is a huge promise made and promise kept by President Trump. We have a deal maker in chief, and it's because of your vision, your leadership, your determination, your skill that we're all here today. So thank you very much, President Trump.
With today's signing, the future of crypto and the crypto industry, the U.S. dollar working together is going to be stronger and bigger and better than ever before. And thank you, everybody, very much. Thank you.
My name is Michael Maybach. I'm the CEO at MasterCard, and we just witnessed the signing of the Genius Bill.
This is really the beginning of a financial revolution here in America. With the passing of this, we've got crypto stablecoins now that can be built right here in America to make every payment fast, cheap, and more global.
It enables us to upgrade the financial system, make it fairer, more accessible.
The president was able to achieve one of the most important changes in the legal framework in the United States to allow the creation and the safely usage of stablecoins.
This is going to mean fantastic benefits for individuals and businesses around, and looking forward to the great results for crypto and for the U.S.
This is a great day for crypto. This is a great day for the U.S. dollar. And it's a great day for America.
This is foundational legislation, foundational regulation that is going to unlock the power of the internet in rebuilding the financial system.
Not only that, but it positions the U.S. as the global leader in this new digital assets industry, which I think is incredibly important.
Wow, wow, wow. There we go. And as you can see, there is a lot about the legal framework, the regulations that will start with this signing of Genius Bill. And then it will roll out in most countries. This is why I firmly believe myself. So we are in a really good era when it comes to cryptocurrency. And as you saw in the last video here, there was a lot of interviews from famous people, and majority of these people are exchange people. So it's actually really good that we can show this now and then leave over to the next speaker on this call, because today we are going to speak about Nivex, and we have the CEO and the co-founder, Mr. Simon, with us today. And before we do that, I want to show you a video about Nivex, a short video. Here we go.
Crypto trading began in 2010, evolving from early peer-to-peer transactions to the first generation of centralized crypto exchanges in 2013, and later advancing with a widespread adoption of Web3 smart contracts in 2017. Today, driven by clear global regulatory frameworks and supportive policies, crypto exchanges are gradually becoming mainstream, marking the dawn of the fully automated intelligent trading era. The market votes with capital, choosing platforms that truly help users generate sustainable profits. This is why AI-powered exchanges are gaining traction among global investors with their efficiency, intelligence, and transparency. Unlike traditional exchanges that rely heavily on manual decision-making and are often influenced by human emotions, Nivex leverages cutting-edge AI large language models combined with years of institutional-grade trading strategies to deliver fully automated signal replication, enabling users to capture more stable and consistent returns. In a market defined by high volatility and intense competition in derivatives trading, retail traders urgently need access to the same professional strategies used by top institutions. These strategies are meticulously developed based on massive datasets and deep industry expertise, rigorously backtested, and deployed through millisecond-level automated execution powered by AI models. Nivex is pioneering an industry-leading approach that combines institutional-grade strategies with AI-driven optimization. By integrating advanced AI large models with years of proven quantitative strategies, we have built a fully automated copy trading system that enables an automatic replication of rigorously validated institutional trading signals, a real-time AI optimization of trading parameters, dynamically adjusting position sizes and stop-loss levels. Both institutional investors and retail traders are seeking more efficient, data-driven decision-making. Professional institutions always maintain an edge, and with our deep AI capabilities and robust strategy stack, we bring verified institutional signals directly to our users. This is the optimal way to navigate rapidly changing market conditions. In the fiercely competitive institutional arena, replicating top-tier strategies is key to helping retail traders achieve consistent profitability. We protect the integrity of these strategies through non-disclosed positions and strict risk controls, ensuring every copy trader benefits from insights derived from institutional-grade analysts, AI big data, and years of cumulative market experience. Nivex holds global compliance licenses, including registration with the US FinCEN, and partners with top-tier auditing firms. Our institutional strategy copy trading plus AI smart optimization model, powered by fully automated replication and dynamic risk management, is leading the digital asset trading industry into a new era of intelligent trading. From traditional trading to smart institutional copy trading, Nivex empowers every investor to replicate AI-enhanced, institutional-grade signals, enabling intelligent decision-making and robust returns. Join Nivex and embark on your smart trading journey today.
Now, as you all know, we are in a industry and we are with a company like pop ecosystem and everything. AI is one of also the hottest thing that's going on right now, and more utilities will come with AI. But one of the most beneficial one has to be AI trading, right? That means because you and me, when we're trading with emotions. And that is the number one rule. Don't do it, usually. So with AI, no emotions, just go with strategies and so on. I think that is one of the best things. So today we are going to talk about how to onboard in Nivex. As I know, some of you already have done it, some maybe it's waiting. Also learn one of the hottest things in Nivex is copy trade. We have amazing results. And also maybe Simon will bring us through some other AI trading products. So with that, I would like to leave the word over to you, Mr. Simon Harder, the CEO of Nivex. Welcome, Simon.
Welcome, everyone. Thank you for invitation and the kind words, Magnus. Let me share myself. I see. Oh, anyway, I'm not visible, I see. It's like no video webinar. Oh, I see. Okay, now. Yes, welcome everyone. So I have been invited here to present to you Nivex, how you can operate in Nivex, what you're supposed to do to sign up, register, and basic steps, basically how to download the app. Because in Europe, and I understand a lot of you are in Europe at the moment, there are not really crypto-friendly regulations. Nivex is already available in more than 80 countries in Apple Store. licensed in United States. So you can find it in US, Canada, and multiple different countries on Apple Store. But because of European regulations, MiCA regulations, some of you might know if you follow crypto, are not super crypto friendly. MiCA regulations kicked out a lot of crypto businesses out of Europe because it's very hard to operate. That's why there is a little caveat that you have to overcome. It's not too big of a deal, but anyway, I'm gonna show it to you. Magnus, if you could let me share my screen, I will share my phone screen and then show you how it's done, okay? It's very simple. We will start, of course, from receiving a ref link from your sponsor, whoever that might be. Okay, now I can share my screen. Hopefully it works. Sometimes it just doesn't work, so hopefully it works this time. Fingers crossed. Oh, works. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm already prepared. Okay, I go to normal browser, whatever you use. I use Chrome. I will go to incognito mode because I have cookies and stuff like that. So it shows me many different languages, you know. We were working and translating for like 10 different languages. So let's hope it's English now. Okay, it's half English, half Chinese, but it's only for me, guys, as a CEO, because I test a lot of different things. For you, it's gonna be only in English, and you can change language as well here, whatever language you speak. Okay, but anyway, I received ref link. I'm gonna create a new account, especially for you. Okay, now I'm gonna send verification code. Okay, verification code came in Chinese. That's not gonna be for all of you. It's gonna be for me, unfortunately, in Chinese, but it is what it is. Verification code, I type verification code. Okay, password, I will use Magnus team 1, 2, 3. Okay. Invitation code, that's already what I received from Magnus. Register. And now I have a pop-up if I want to download the app. Because if app is not available in your country on Apple Store, there is other way to get it. And this other way to get it is basically through test flight. You know, and now I could go, for example, I'm in Dubai. As you can see, it's already on Apple Store. It's fully verified. It's on Apple Store, but because it's not available in some of your countries, I will go to main website of Nivex. Here is the button at the bottom, the green line, trade with the better next. And this button that has Chinese letters, it says download. On your side, it will say download. So I press download, and here the page pops up where I can translate it too. Okay, where I can basically scroll down and I can get it through test flight. Click to download Nivex. It's gonna be test flight, right? View in test flight. This is Apple Store, and here's test flight. I'm going to test flight, allow it. Test flight is official app of the Apple. Test flight is basically the app for the applications that are pre-approved to Apple Store. Like I mentioned, in European countries, some of you will have to go this way. That's why I'm doing it this way now. Download. Okay, download it, open Nivex, allow, start testing. Okay, this one, good. Now I will register, login with the login and password that I just created. Okay. Okay. Login, I'm logged in, confirmation through email, get verification code through email. Verification code comes to email, already received. Oh, this one is already in English, you see? Yeah. Okay. Verification code. And I'm inside the app, okay? For me, I prefer the dark version of the app. That's why I will go to setting, preferences. I will change it to night mode. It's like more pleasant to the eye. So now I'm in the app, right? And let's say we wanna do something. First of all, trading. In the middle, bottom middle, you have green button trade. If you tap it and hold it, of course, some reminders about the risk, right? Trading's risky, like everything we do in crypto. And now I press the button, the green button, and we have multiple different choices to do. Like in every other exchange, we have a spot trading. Spot trading, you can trade Bitcoin and multiple other coins. Then we have a futures trading. You can trade leverage up to 125x, as you can see. I do not recommend it to anyone unless you like casino. 125x is very dangerous leverage. If the price moves against your direction, it's a very quick liquidation. So I suggest no one tries it. In Earn, we have multiple different products, especially for people here on this Zoom. We have PPT staking. Some of you probably already stake, but you also can stake Solana, BNB, Ethereum, Bitcoin, USDT, and some other coins. That's Earn product. At the top left, we also have Smart Invest, additional products that help you generate yield. Quant Finance, additional products staking USDT. You can stake for whatever time period you want. And Launchpad is something that we implemented to incubate other products. If you understand crypto, or for those of you rather who don't understand crypto, every single exchange, starting from Binance, all of them have Launchpad. In Binance, it's called Binance Labs. Binance Labs is incubating, basically investing in multiple other products and projects in their ecosystem, so their ecosystem grow. Because if they invest in multiple different products and projects, these projects come to Binance one way or the other by listing the token or multiple different other ways. That's what we are doing with Nivex as well. We are expanding ecosystem of Nivex. PopMax is one of our partners. Now, at the moment, we have another 3 or even 4 partnerships coming to make our ecosystem attractive. And of course, over the years, it's going to grow and grow and grow and grow. So every single one of us has opportunity to participate in whatever products you like. You know, if you don't want to trade yourself, you can participate in PopMax or maybe some other projects. Or another thing, like Magnus mentioned, we have something called copy trading. P2P, I'm gonna skip. P2P basically means player-to-player exchange. If some of you wanna sell euro for USDT, you can do it between each other. Here, as you can see, multiple different coins. Let's go to, for example, Vietnamese dong. In Vietnamese dong, there will be some buy offers and there will be some sell offers, right? In every different currency, there will be multiple different options for you to buy and sell between each other. And not only that, we are already working on a solution where everyone will be able to buy crypto easier. Okay, so you will be able to basically do it through third party, do it through bank transfer, maybe some kind of deposit, different kind of way. We are still working on it. It's not easy to do it, especially in Europe these days. Okay, now, okay, maybe not yet. Okay, another product I want to say before I go to the copy trading, on the bottom where you see home, market, trade, there is a tab AI. We have combined a lot of AI strategies with crypto. You know, when I started creating exchange approximately 1.5 years ago, my thinking was, how can I make this exchange a little bit better and easier for the people? Because after being 10 years in crypto, my understanding is that 85% of people have no idea how to trade. Most of the people lose money trading very fast. Even myself, after being 10 years in crypto, I don't really touch leverage myself because I know how little probability is there of winning and competing against other more experienced players. And you need to remember that you are always competing with the more experienced players. Some people have 10, 20, 30 years experience trading markets. So because of that, we have created 69 different AI strategies. These strategies, of course, it's AI. AI self-learning algorithm, so they are still learning, they are still adapting. But our advantage as a small exchange is that we can grow these strategies from the small amounts and let them learn over time. There is no big inflows of billions of dollars as it would be on Binance or Bybit or any other exchange. So these strategies are ranging from 30% per year up to even, as you can see, 3,600% per year. Of course, I would never go for something that generates 3,600% per year because it's going to be, liquidation 100%. I don't know when, maybe a month from now, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 5. No one knows. But you need to understand the bigger the percentage, the higher opportunity is. But anyway, these strategies are trading Bitcoin, Binance Coin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, and multiple other coins with products for different kind of people, because every one of us is different. Of us is unique. Some people have conservative risk appetite. Some of the people have very high risk appetite. So we provide products for any kind of people. If you want to go for 30% per year, you can find 30% per year. As you can see, 34% per year here with only 2.9% drawdown. So there is 900 people copying this one. But at the same time, there is a lot of people using more risky strategies because people are different. These AI strategies are already pre-positioned by us and pre-programmed by our AI tech team. But if some of you are more experienced and you don't want to use any strategies designed by other people, no problem at all. We got you covered in Nivex. We created tools for all of you to create your own strategies if you wish so. At the top, you can see Quant Merge Strategy. Quant Merge Strategy is a tool that lets you design your own strategies. You can pick what coin you want to trade. You can pick leverage you want to trade it with up to 50x. You can play two ways, long or short, which is basically bullish market, bearish market. And then you set up your own strategies. How much of the quantity of, for example, this one is example of Trump token. How much of this Trump token you want to trade, maximum position increase time, position increase interval, leverage multiplier, how much would you like to apply a leverage, when you want to take profit, stop loss, floating, retracement rate, price cap, and minimum price. I'm not going into details here because, like I mentioned, guys, I'm a founder and CEO of it. I don't understand fully every single detail of technology, especially trading. I'm not a trader myself. I'm good at building stuff. In terms of trading and creating all of these strategies, trading myself, I know very little. That's why outside of the strategies, you have 3 different tools that you can design your own strategies. But like I say, I'm not even using it myself because I don't really understand it. For me, it's still complicated, and trading is complicated itself. Because of that, we have designed additional product, which is very popular in the Forex industry. In Forex industry, we have platforms like eToro, RoboForex, and few other ones. eToro is already existing since like 17 years on the market. RoboForex is 13 or even 14 years on the market at the moment. Very sustainable models, very proven business models. And what these business models provide, as well as Nivex, is copy trading. Copy trading basically means copying other users. So at the top, in a tab copy trade, I'm going there. Here, we provide option for the people to get listed as a traders. You can apply by pressing start, confirming with the capital, then we verify you, we list you. As you can see, we have many traders. There's like 100+ traders, I would say. And you can copy any trader you want. We are not forcing you to do anything. We are providing software and the platform for you to make money, right? We want you to make money with whatever strategies you choose and are the best suitable for you. So let's say the top guy, Satoshi Go, this guy already profitable over the past month or in a year, because he's like a new guy, he generated 20%. We can press on him, and as a platform, we provide you full transparency in what is he doing, how much ROI he generated, pretty big ROI, what did he trade, strategy provider, how much money he make. He charges 10% profit share. At the top, you can see every trader will charge different profit share. It's based on the trader. how many assets under management he has, how much profit he generated, and when he started this strategy, which is, I don't think, maybe he registered back then, but I think he started trading very recently. Anyway, oh yeah, he started trading very recently. So here you can see what was he trading. Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Dogecoin, DOT, XRP, Pepe, and Solana, right? He was doing these transactions. You can also see if he has any ongoing transactions. So we always show data live. If you copy any trader, you can always see what is he doing. If you don't like what the trader is doing, you can always take your capital out. There is no any lockup period. There is no anything that is holding you back. You can deposit and withdraw anytime you want. As a trading exchange, we give you full control over your capital. History, you can see what he was trading. As you can see, the coins that were shown just on the previous tab. You can see every single transaction that he made since he's trading, and you can see how many people copy him. As I said, these traders are relatively new, not super verified. Main thing is you can see the data for yourself and you can make your own decision. Now, what we did as a platform over the past year, we tested and tried to verify more than 130 users at this point. Out of 130 users, we found 3 users that were suitable for our platform to highlight them. Basically, we call them institutional signals. These guys were consistently profitable over the past 11 months. You can verify all of their data. For example, let's start from the bottom. Astrabit, as you can see, Astrabit is generating 128% per year. At the moment, he has $18.6 million assets under management, 5,100 people copy him, and he already generated $3.1 million profit for these people. You can go to this strategy. You can see profit share, how much he's charging. You can see how much profit he generated based on the numbers, what coins is he trading, what transactions he has opened, history. Like with every other trader, you can verify all of the data. You can make decision yourself, whatever is suitable for your risk profile. And we verified 3 traders like this: Astrabit, Alpha 10, and AI Trade. Choice is yours, guys. You come to the platform if you don't want to hold coins, for example, because crypto market is cyclical. It goes through cycles. It's going up, it's a bull market, then it has to come down, bear market. During bear market, I highly would suggest for any of you to hold any kind of coins, because if you hold, maybe you can hold Bitcoin or Ethereum, but if you hold any other coins, I would highly suggest you to exchange them to USDT, get out to the stable coins, and diversify your portfolio. If you have it in stable coins, that's amazing. Welcome to Nivex. You can use any of our strategies. All of them operate based on the stable coins. So the percentage is always generated based on a stable coins, 1-to-1 ratio with the dollar, right? You pick any kind of strategy, press start. You acknowledge the risk, because of course there is a risk. You copy some other guy that is providing these strategies. No one is flawless. So you have to accept it. And then you choose how much money you wanna deposit, right? This particular strategy, AI Trade, only accepts $200, maximum to $1,000. Just remember, if you deposit $200 and this $200 will go a little bit down, the strategy will get disconnected, because my minimum is $200. So if anyone would go for 200, I highly suggest add at least 250, just to leave him some room to maneuver, because trading is unpredictable. Sometimes it can be a little bit up, sometimes it can be a little bit down, sometimes it can be a little bit up. The main point for us in Nivex was to find guys that are consistent. Nothing crazy, no 30% per year, no 50, no 80, just consistent returns for every single people that come to the platform. If you don't want to trade yourself, welcome. You can copy the guys that are already verified, that are trading consistently and profitably for the past months. And you can basically plug in to any of these guys and start copying his strategies automatically. It's connected through AI. It's called mirror trading. And then the same transactions that the master trader is doing will happen on your own account when capital is still under your control. You can deposit and withdraw anytime you want. It stays on your account. You are not sending it to anyone else. Okay? Out of these three strategies, I would suggest if you go with little capital, start with AI trade. AI trade is generating 143% per year, maximum $1,000, but he's doing the most transactions. So the profit is a little bit bigger because he's more aggressive kind of trader. Alpha 10, this one is basically for the biggest capital. You can deposit here up to $50,000, minimum $1,000. This guy is trading with bigger capital and he's doing way less trades. I would say approximately 10 trades per month. And another kind of medium guy, he's trading 15 to 20 times per month, generating pretty good results too. All of them have kind of similar results. Like I mentioned, we don't care about anything hypey. We don't want anything aggressive. We want to focus, me especially as a CEO of this exchange, I have a lot of different things to focus, right? Tech team, compliance, regulators, governments, building this infrastructure, then talking to people, networking with people, taking care of the marketing team, multiple different stuff. These traders are just a little parts of this ecosystem. It's just designed for people like, for example, new people in crypto or people who are even experienced like myself. I copy on my own account maximum that there is to copy. You can maximum deposit $81,000 into the strategies. I copied them for the past 2 months. I generated already 22%. And other products outside of copy trading that might be interesting for you, you can find in a tab more. When I press more, you can find products, for example, like I know here we have a company that in PopMax especially, you are networking guys, right? You are building teams, you are building with a marketing plan. So in Nivex, very similar situation. You can find referral where you can sponsor your people. When you go to referral, you can create your own referral code, whatever the case may be, right? You create referral code, 10%. Referral code is created, and then I can share it with my friends, my people, my teams. If I want to create different kind of referral code, I can create different kind of referral code with different kind of percentage as well, right? No, this one's too much. Yeah. You can create as many referral codes as you want based on your own preferences, depending on the people. Oh, I added some too much. Yeah, I want to hear. Okay, 10%. Oh, somewhere else too much. No, 10%. Okay. Okay, now you see this strategy, this referral link is different. You can send it to different people, you know, because definitely there will be multiple different people with multiple different skills in your team. So you always adjust the percentage based on the person. If someone's starting, they need to learn first before they are starting, you know, with a too high of a percentage because it's not gonna be beneficial to anyone. Okay, that's referral team, structure. In Lucky Money, we have a function of sending money between each other. You don't pay any fees from it. You can send, I can send money to Magnus without paying any fees. It's called Lucky Money. A red pocket in a Chinese culture. They have this culture of giving each other red packets with money. So here we have something similar. You can gift your people money by basically creating this red packet and sending this red packet to the friends in your team. Additional, in Discovery, you can find some other crypto projects that might be related or not necessarily to Nivex. If you would like to explore more of a crypto industry and learn about other products that are there and are popular in a crypto industry. Another thing, something I like. I'm in crypto for the past 10 years, and like I mentioned, I'm not trader myself. I don't even think about trading. I lost millions of dollars over the past 10 years by trying to trade myself. So I know how risky it is. I deploy my capital with the copy traders. They know what they are doing. Well, at least more, they know more what they are doing more than I know. Okay, that's really important. I'm not saying they are perfect because no one is. In 10 years career, I experienced many different things, but these guys are definitely more professional than me. If I think about my journey, I was never profitable for 11 months. Well, hell, I wasn't even profitable for a month. Always something happened. And these guys are running for 11 months. So if you have to copy someone, at least copy professionals. Last thing I want to say is that when you come to Nivex, of course, it's really great to be able to spend your money. When you make money in crypto, whether it's a PopMax or Nivex, we are already working on a solution where you will be able to spend money earned in Nivex with a card. Card will be available, I think, in the middle of August or September, beginning of September. You will be able to apply for a Nivex card. You will receive, for example, a virtual card that you will be able to add to Apple Store, or maybe order physical card. So you will be able to spend your crypto however you wish. Okay? And something from me I would like to say, guys, exchanges are the biggest businesses you can build in crypto industry. There is nothing above the exchanges. But how I see exchange as a hub of incubation and recruiting new people. Most of the new people who come to the crypto industry, they come through centralized exchanges because it's easy, it's simple to understand. There is customer support. If something goes wrong, they can always text customer support and it's gonna get solved. And then we can educate them about other different paths, right? And in Nivex, we have already started designing an ecosystem where you will be able to enjoy multiple different benefits, not only exchange, but for example, one of our partners is PopMax, Magnus here with Christine, and all of you guys here. Another project in creation is a cashback business that will be able to generate for you cashback for whatever products you buy, or maybe even trading. To more, we will explain probably a little bit later when it's finally ready and done for promotion. Then we are already designing another product that is almost ready as well. It's gonna be finished in August and September as well. It's kind of like a Web3 TikTok, decentralized TV streaming, basically live streaming. Like in a gaming industry, you have a streaming of a gamers. That's why games become popular, because some guys sit in front of the computer in a nice office, right? And they are screaming to the computer and attracting other players by it. The same situation can happen with trading. If you invite people by streaming, you stream, people watch you, you are interesting, people like your personality, people like how you trade, they might sign up through you with your referral link to the exchange, and you can start getting benefits from the exchange by other people copying it. Exchange is a business that is very long lasting. It's nothing experimental. Business model has already been proven. Binance 10 years on the market, Bybit 8 years, BitGet 7 years, Coinbase 8 years on the market. Multiple different exchanges, once done right, they last very long time. And that's the goal of Nivex, to run for 10, 20, 30, 50 years and let everyone enjoy the benefits of crypto. So we can finally help people and invite people from the Web 2 world, which is basically normal internet, to Web 3 and keep them here, educate them, give them multiple different products, services, businesses, and keep them in our industry. Because when crypto becomes even more popular than it is now, at some point, you won't need a bank. You won't need to go through this nonsense Rothschild banking system that is completely controlled and where you have to explain yourself from your own money. I operate in crypto for the past 10 years. For the past 8 years, I barely use bank. I have a bank accounts, but I don't use them. I use crypto. I bought my villa for crypto. I bought my car for crypto. I spend crypto on a daily basis. I don't use traditional fiat system because I don't like it. I don't like centralized control. I don't like explaining myself to the bank. And that's our goal in crypto, right? To educate people, bring them here, educate them, and let them enjoy this amazing system that gives us freedom and freedom of choice as well. That's it from me. Thank you guys for listening. If anyone would have any more questions, I'm sure that Magnus and Christine will be very happy to answer any questions you might have. If any questions are here, I can also answer. If you can text in a chat, I see the chat. So if anyone would have any question, please don't be shy. Don't hesitate. Just ask me. once I'm here, I will be able to answer.
Thank you so much, Simon, for that. Yeah, if you have any quick questions, you can write in the Q&A session there. And by that, we say so much thank you to you, Simon, for giving your knowledge about this. And I just want to say like this. Guys, we all are in PopMax on this call. Majority, I will say at least. We all earn PPT. We all need to sell the PPT at some point to get, for example, USDT and so on. And Nivex have that. And like Simon is saying, soon we will get a debit card where you can spend your crypto. Simon, a quick question from my side. Will they be able to spend any crypto, or is it certain cryptocurrencies they can spend on this card? Can they spend PPT? Will PPT be one of them?
Haven't decided yet, but the thing is with crypto cards, once you apply for the crypto card, it's not only crypto regulations now. You have to adhere to the certain regulations from the banking system. So in the most crypto cards, usually these are like top 10 cryptocurrencies like USDT, Bitcoin, Binance. I mean, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. But potentially, we could definitely consider spending PPT. I know you have a great teams, guys, here, so there is possibility to implement PPT, so you would be able to spend PPT, but to be decided once we implement the card. There is a question from Rosette. Rosette is asking, is Nivex same as Binance? Yes, you could say that. We are just a little bit more innovative. As a small exchange, we already start from the beginning with AI. You know, Binance is really big. With the big exchanges like Binance, they are super regulated. There is a lot of regulators on them, especially after Changpeng Zhao, founder of Binance, was in prison. So they have to be very strict about every single thing they do. In our case, we are very transparent. We are very open in front of people. We are implementing a lot of AI in this exchange, and all of it is to be used and tested by our users. You like it, you can use it. You don't like it, you don't have to use it. But we start with it. You know, we have time to innovate. We had official launch of this exchange 1.5 months ago. We have been building it for over a year, but official launch was 1.5 months ago. So give us time, we will catch up. The goal of Nivex is to definitely get to top 10 exchanges. Binance is already on the market 10 years, Bybit 8 years. It took them many years before they got to top 10 or top 3 exchanges. Nivex has a really good potential to get there as well. So, well, at some point, potentially we will be competing with Binance as well. Yes, it's the same exchange, just with a little bit more features and tools. Jeremiah is asking, what's the big impact now in crypto industry because of Genius Act bill? Is it going centralized because government now is going to control us again? Well, I would say it's innovation. We are leaving the old traditional banking system and outdated banking model 9 to 5 Monday, Friday to something that operates 24/7 and 24/7 and all over the world. You don't have to worry that your transfer will take hours to get somewhere. It's gonna be done in a seconds, and other than that, a lot more people will be able to create stable coins, which is controversial thing to do, but United States is trying to be crypto capital of the world, so I certainly hope it will work for the crypto benefit. At the moment, it works very big for crypto benefits, so we can finally start controlling our own finances, controlling our own money. We have freedom of choice. I believe we're supposed to have freedom of spending money as well and doing whatever we want with our money as well. Anonymous attendee, rather than using Uphold, can I use Nivex to onboard USDT to PopMax? Yes, you can use Nivex to onboard people to PopMax. You can buy USDT on Nivex, but I'm not sure what transactions are you talking about. I'm sure Magnus will be able to answer that better.
Well, I guess the meaning from fiat to USDT.
Okay. This one, guys, that's another thing that takes time. At the moment, we have crypto in, crypto out. In terms of the exchange of fiat to crypto, I know Magnus has the way in Europe, but in Europe, because of the MiCA regulations, it's very hard to operate. If we would apply there, first thing we have to do, we have to sell out all of your data. I am a pure crypto kid. For the past 10 years, after college, I started crypto. I escaped banking system not to reveal what I'm doing with my finances. And I wouldn't like to do it for you as well. That's why we are kind of withholding with the MiCA regulations. So until Europe changes regulations for more crypto friendly and we will be able to apply, get licensing in the countries you live, we cannot connect to the banking system. Once that's done, of course, we will do everything in our power that you will be able to deposit fiat to Nivex and buy crypto with it. Yeah, there's 2 or 3 questions already about fiat. So fiat, definitely, guys, you have to talk with Magnus about it. We, at the moment, after 1.5 months of running, we cannot do that yet. In the future, yes. Minimum capital of copy trading, $200, but I highly recommend 250 at least, $250, because if your capital goes below $200, you won't be able to trade. You can trade with $250 with AI trade. Maximum you can deposit in all of this copy trading is $81,000. Or if you want to use other users of our exchange that are not super verified, but you like risk, you can do as well. You can copy them as well. There you can deposit even bigger capital. Okay, someone send me some links. I'm not gonna do it now. I will check whatever anonymous attendee just sent. Articles from BitPinas and BitPinas about Bybit and BitGet wallet. I will check it. I don't know what it is, but I will have a look. I know BitGet wallet, of course, and Bybit as an exchange, but articles I'll have a look after Zoom. I don't want to hold people here for another hour.
That's all good. Thank you again, Simon, for all your hard work. And as I said, we can all use Nivex for our own benefit, and as it will grow and get more and more services, even for fiat in the future. So with that, I will say thank you everyone to be part of this weekly call. And by that, have a great week. See you next Sunday. Bye 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 bye.
Thank you. Bye bye, guys.